So our first practice that we're going to participate in is our awareness practice. And awareness is the practice, that is the thread that weaves through all of our practices, both mindfulness practices and our physical practice. So join me in finding your most comfortable seat. And you can be elevated up on a bolster. You could be seated in a chair. You could be seated on your heels as I am, or a block, or crossing the legs, elevating your hips up on a blanket. So just find a comfortable seat for yourself starting out. Begin to close your eyes. And just start to take notice of the physical body. Can you notice sensations as you comb your awareness down over the crown of your head? Shoulders and arms. Spine. Notice your hips, your thighs, your knees and shins, all the way down to the soles of your feet. As you come across pain in the body, see if you can say hello to it and moving beyond. So scanning the body from head to toe, from toes back up to your head. Maybe you come across an area that feels really good and relaxed. Just notice that this body can hold both pleasure and pain all at once. Getting that broader view of sensations, noticing how they change or how some may stay the same. And then just as if we were reading a story in a book, turn the page and start to shift your awareness now to your energy. Notice your energy level. Is it low, heavy, dull? Is it intense, excited, more sharp? Maybe calm and relaxed, or anywhere along that spectrum. Just notice. All of this is part of your story. Turn the page again and take a look at the level of the thinking mind. Watch the thoughts. Do they become still as you bring awareness to this level of your being? Or are they busier or seemingly busier? Is there any judgment, repetition, negative thoughts, positive ones? Just notice what's happening on that mental level for you today. All of this is true in this story, but we're going to turn the page and shift to the level of our emotions. Can you sense any emotions today? Or are they more challenging to sense in this moment? If you're sensing emotions, can you sit with them the way you would sit with a friend, holding that compassionate space? If you're sensing those emotions, can you relate it to any energy or sensation within the physical body? And that will bring us back to the beginning, noticing sensations in the body. Begin to lengthen and deepen your breath. And completing our check-in with ourself. Beginning practice from here and always having this thread of awareness through all of our mindfulness practices and movement. Namaste.